VSS is an advanced manufacturer. So we design nothing, but we manufacture complicated components for industries such as aerospace, firearms components, oil and gas. Really anyone that's looking for highly complicated components, particularly in production. The particular problem we have is when you're operating 24 hours a day, it's very hard to manage. We manage reactively. We manage after the fact. We do part counts and find out, we plan on what we want, so we want 100 pieces next week, and we find out after the end of the week that we got 80 pieces. And we wanted real-time data that was going to help us react as problems were happening to fix them so that we could avoid being 20% short of parts before it happens. We looked for over the last 4 years at the last 3 IMTSs at different packages from different companies. We're not satisfied whatsoever with any of them. In manufacturing, what we see is that IT applied to our industry is typically 5 to 10 years behind where it should be. MachineMetrics makes that jump. Our managers can look at machine data. They can see precisely what part counts were every hour, hour by hour. The data is just sitting there presented to the managers, which allows them to make very, very quick decisions to get back up to speed and solve problems. We can set it so that it will reach out and text or email and contact our managers, be they on-site or off-site, on their phones. Just having MachineMetrics and publishing the data got us 10% more efficient. Being able to reach out so that managers could proactively attack issues allowed us to go from 10 to 20% efficiency increase. We save money in a variety of ways. We're more efficient. We get more parts out per hour, so the savings in the cost of those parts go straight to the bottom line. It's really amazing software. If you can use your finger on an iPad or an Android device or any computer, you can easily use this software. It's completely intuitive and requires no training whatsoever. Very importantly to us is we're growing fast. So to be 15 to 20% more efficient, in our case we've calculated, we'll save $1 to $2 million in capital expenditures over the next 3 years.